The following is a preview of Episode 8, Neanderthals. To gain full access to this subscriber-only episode, plus more exclusive content, visit patreon.com/ourprehistory. Link in the description. Today, we take a short detour away from the out-of-Africa migrations of Homo sapiens to get to know our closest relatives on the evolutionary tree, the Neanderthals. This human species lived in Europe and parts of Asia from about 250,000 to 30,000 years ago. Understanding who the Neanderthals were will help us set the stage for the great encounter between us and them, which was one of the defining events of early human prehistory. As we will see, these short, stocky people may have looked strange to Homo sapiens leaving Africa around 60,000 years ago, but they shared many fundamental human qualities with those who would eventually replace them. We will start with the basics, learn about Neanderthal evolution and biology, then move on to their foraging strategies, social structure, and technology. Finally, we will explore their symbolic creation and discuss their cognitive capabilities. There are mountains of research on the Neanderthals, and today I will only have time to touch on a small portion of it. One topic that we will save for later episodes is the interaction between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens starting around 60,000 years ago, and the subsequent extinction of this hominin species. Throughout this exploration, one of my goals will be to dispel a common misunderstanding about these ancient Eurasians. Neanderthals were not dumb brutes. This perception is common in popular culture, and was even so among academics of the past century. But archaeological research in the past 30 years has made it clear that Neanderthals were intelligent and compassionate people. As we will see today, the complexity of their technology was equal to that of Homo sapiens living in Africa at the same time. Neanderthals adapted to a wide range of environments, using different strategies for obtaining food. They walked upright, made clothing, used fire with skill, hunted megafauna and small animals, collected and cooked grass seeds and other plants, and cared for the sick and elderly. Neanderthals had a creative mind, capable of making symbolic objects to represent abstract ideas. Evidence that they used paint and personal ornaments is just as common in Europe during the Middle Paleolithic as it is in Africa during the Middle Stone Age. Whether Neanderthals were the cognitive equals of Homo sapiens in all respects is debated, but we will return to this topic at the end of the episode. For now, let's start from the beginning.